Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there? Okay, I am here to speak briefly about Pure Profit Pro. I'm back again in reference to Pure Profit Pro. One of my new business opportunities I added to my portfolio in 2018. It is a digital program, meaning it's internet training, but all the training is in a digital format. You can log in and access your training from any smart device. Okay, there's 3 levels of training: internet marketing training, internet packages, if you will, of training with this particular program, Pure Profit Pro. Only 3. That's what I like about it. It's not a bunch of levels. It's not multi-level marketing. It's a direct member-to-member program. Okay, a digital franchise is what we like to call it. But the way it's set up, guys, you have 3 internet packages. Okay, of training, internet courses, if you will. Okay, the levels are $250. $500 and $1,000. That's it. Okay, that is it. So the lowest commission you can make is $250. What I like about this type of business model, first of all, is member to member. So once someone purchases a package, you're paid instantly. You don't have to wait a week on a paycheck. You don't have to wait on the company to cut a check at all. The person purchases the package from you. So you have the license to resell the products. Okay, so not only are you getting the education from the product package you purchase, but you also can resell the package. Okay, so the lowest you can make is $250, regardless, okay, of what level you came in at. That's the lowest you're going to make. So that's the other thing I like. You don't have to pass up your wholesale. You will receive the amount that you came in at. So let's say you came in at the $500 level and someone wanted to purchase that $1,000 package, you're still going to receive $500. Okay. Now, with this program, it's a little different than some of the other ones that's out there. With this program, your first sale is passed up, and then you keep your second sale. Okay. So you pass up your first sale at the level in which you came in at. So if you came in at the $1,000 level, that first sale of $1,000 will pass up to your sponsor. Then after that, you'll keep every sale from there. And of course, if you come in at the higher level, all the lower levels are included. Okay, so if you come in at the $1,000 level, you have access to the $500 level and the $250 level. Okay, and you can get paid on all the levels. All right. Total access, a fully funded business. Okay, and everything is included in this program is what I like as well. You literally can join. There's 2 capture pages, so pick one, send traffic to that page, and just let the system do the presentation, which is the page you're on right now. You'll receive a page exactly like this, and right here is that basically explains the business on how we get paid. Okay, and then they did a great job on this website. It explains everything in details. It's not a lot of hype. It's basic information, straight to the point. And, it's video training, just like it states here. Everything is all-in-one marketing. You'll learn as you earn, okay? So this is what you'll receive. So let me go down a little further. Here's the products: $250, $500, and $1,000. And if you click the buttons here for each level, you'll see the actual training that's included. It will break down, each package. Okay, it's just that simple, guys. Just 3 levels. It shows you here what the admin is for each one. Okay, if you come in at the $250 level, you pay the $95 for the admin. That's basically your licensing fee as well. so you're able to resell the products. Okay? And everything is instant. You decide how you want to receive that payment from the person that's purchasing the product. Okay? Again, you're going to be paid instantly, so you don't have to wait on a check from the company. Okay? So you have a page just like this with your information at the bottom, and all you need to do is send people to your capture page. Okay? And then go through the training that's in here. Okay? There you're going to have access to whatever training level you purchase. Go through the training. Okay? And learn something from there and apply it to your business. I have access to a special membership training area that's going to even give you even more than what's included in what you're paying for. So you're going to get way more than what you're paying for. So that's a bonus. You're not going to have just, what's in the package, which is great, but you're going to have even more. Okay? So we have the blueprint for you to succeed with this program, step by step, what you need to do, where you need to buy, your paid advertising, all that is included when you join me. Okay? And I've got a special bonus going as well, but you need to contact me to find out what that is. And that's what we have, guys. Real simple. If you're looking to scale up and you're looking for something where you don't have to wait, weekly to get a check or monthly to get paid for your commissions, this is a great program. It's been around for a couple years now. It's not in pre-launch, any of that. It's stable. And I like the format of it. Like I said, the lowest you're going to make is what you come in at. So you will always make the money that you put into it. So if you came in at the $500 level, someone comes at the $1,000, you're still going to make $500. Okay? But you have to still pass up that first sale. But after that, you're good to go. Okay? So you don't lose any money. You know what I mean? You're not going to lose your whole sale. You will lose the difference. The difference goes to your sponsor, but you don't lose the whole sale. Okay? So that's a win-win. So that's what you have with Pure Profit Pro. Okay? So reach out to me if you have any questions about this one, and I'll be happy to answer those. But basically, guys, this one is ready to go. Plug and play. Purchase your level. Pick your level here, which one you want to get started with. Pick one of the capture pages that they have in the back office. Purchase you a domain. Point it to that page, and I show you where you can get some good paid advertising to go to your website. You got to have visitors to look at your offer. That's the key. You're going to need leads, people to look at this offer over and over and over and over. Okay? So the more people we get to look at it, the greater the chance that someone will pull the trigger and go ahead and purchase. Okay? So there you have it, Pure Profit Pro in a nutshell. Simple, easy. You're ready to learn how to make money online. Learn as you earn. Make bigger commissions, $250, $500, or $1,000. This is the program for you. Okay? So feel free, give me a call. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I do this full time. I don't hide behind my computer. And I'm accessible. Okay? So I look forward to you joining my team. Like, subscribe, and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay? So that you can be notified when I make new videos. Okay? All right, guys. That's all I've got for you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.